Hi everyone, so I'm back to share a little journal with you. This one is a little shabby vintage journal. It's 6 by 3 3/4 by 4 1/4, has one signature, 48 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop. You can find the links below. I have also used kits from ARTYmaze. I've used some of my own kits, so I'll mention it all as I go through, and I will link them all below as well if you want to go over and check them out. This lovely doily here was from the lovely Tina, who is Hummingbird Tales here on YouTube, and we've just recently done a swap, and she had sent me some of some lovely vintage, I don't know if they are vintage, but vintage doilies, and I've used this one obviously. Got the little girl on the front with some fabric and some cheesecloth behind there. I'll kind of pull away that a little bit to make it look a little bit more frayed once it's dried completely, because this was the last thing that I done, which was just about 10 minutes ago, was pop that on. Yeah, so we've got eyelets, we've got satin ribbon. The paper that I did use as the cover is from ARTYmaze, and it's the wallpaper grungy kit, and that's got some beautiful beautiful pages in there. So it's just plain coffee dyed on the inside cover, and I've used some white cotton to do all the stitching. This is from the wallpaper shabby what is it, wallpaper grungy kit, I think it's called Shabby Grungy. I'll link it below. Then here we've just got a lacy, like a double lace pocket. Inside there we've got these background tags here are one of my kits, and like I said, I'll try and link them all below. And the little image is just what I've collected over the years via Pinterest. That goes in there. This is the old design shop, and I've done 2 to a page with them, obviously, because it's a smaller journal. And then this is actually some scrapbooking paper. It was quite thin, so I backed it onto some coffee dyed paper. And we have some of Paris, the Eiffel Tower, and some roses, which is very shabby. This is can't remember the name of it, but it's one of my kits. I'll link it below. And then that flips out like so, and we have, again, that's one of my tags, images from like via Pinterest. The little label here is from ARTYmaze, which is the number label kit, I think. This is from one of my kits, which I think, let me see, I have them, do I have them up on the screen still? Probably not. Yeah, this is from Shabby Rose Papers. This is from my pockets and tag pack, and yeah, that is mine. I was just double checking with my brain there. It's like, is it mine? Is it? Yes, it is. I don't often use any of my stuff. Tim Holtz, I thought that would go in there nice. This paper here is from the old design shop. This is from ARTYmaze, which is the French ephemera kit, and I've just inked up all around the edges and the creases. That pops in there behind them. Looks like 2 mums and 2 daughters. This, I don't know where that's from. It could be Christie Art Designs or Cameo Shop. This is a freebie on my coffee shop, and so is this. It's another freebie of mine. This is Bohemian Crafting. This is from my pockets and tag pack, and I've just put an ARTYmaze number label there. And here, this is just scrapbooking paper, some 6x6. I think Tina sent me these, and I thought they'll go perfectly in this little journal. How cute is that sewing machine? So that's just a tag, and this is a freebie on my coffee shop. This is from my French ephemera kit, and that is either Christie Art Designs or Cameo Shop. We've got some pages here to journal on. Another pocket here. This is from my pocket and tag kit. This is some scrapbooking paper. I think that was the, yeah, that was the one that was quite thin, so I backed it. And a postcard from my my French ephemera kit. This is from ARTYmaze, which is an instant instant, what are they called? Not Polaroids, because you couldn't use the word Polaroid. It was instant portraits, that's what it's called. So that's in there. Now a lot of these things I have shrunk down. They do come in bigger sizes, but obviously because I was making a smaller journal, I shrunk them down. I popped on this butterfly, that's from ARTYmaze. This is ARTYmaze from the wallpaper grungy kit. We've got another flip there, like so. This is a freebie from my coffee shop, and this is ARTYmaze's French ephemera kit. And again, I have shrunk these down. They do come bigger. This is a freebie on my coffee shop, and on the back here we've got a tag. Tina sent me this paper. So how pretty is that, with a little birdie there? I'm not sure what type of bird that is, but it's pretty. Postcard from my French ephemera kit. This is from my French ephemera kit as well, and again I think I shrunk them. I did obviously shrink them down because they do come bigger. And these are all, the French ephemera kit is all original French ephemera, which I have scanned in. This is from the old design shop. We've got some journal space. This is from Bohemian Crafting. We've got some lace trim here. Got a pocket. These tags, these pockets are made from tags that are from ARTYmaze's wallpaper grungy kit, and this is some scrapbooking paper. Oh, I didn't know there was something on the back. How pretty is that? I had just seen all these lovely pinks and greens, but isn't that pretty, with all little bugs and the butterflies on there? Didn't look on the back. Again, that was from Tina. Postcard from my French ephemera kit. Christy Art Designs or Cameo Shop, ARTYmaze instant portraits. They're a great collection to have. Here, a little bit of digital washi from chapter 1, and that butterfly is from one of my kits. I don't know if that was a freebie or from one of my like paid kits, I can't remember. We've got some hearts in the middle, I haven't done that in a while, and some writing space, another pocket using a tag, and some digital washi and a butterfly. And there's that tag again with the lovely bugs on the back, and a postcard from my French ephemera kit, Christy Art Designs or Cameo Shop, ARTYmaze. How cute is the bunny? Or is it a bunny or is it a hare? I'm not quite sure. Oh, need to pop a little bit of glue on there. Here is, that flips out. We've got another tag in there. How pretty is that? And that opens up like so, and then in there we have a piece of French ephemera from ARTYmaze's French ephemera kit, and I've just popped that in behind there. That goes there. Paper clip here. Excuse me, haven't got any bugs or anything, it's just I've had the heating on because it's getting cold, and I think it gets to me a little bit. That's the other side of my freebie page, and then this is a freebie as well. You can find these on my coffee shop. Like I said, all that will be linked below. That goes, does that go in there? That's from one of my kits as well. That goes in there. This is from my French ephemera kit, and just inked up, shrunk down because it is actually bigger than that. So here we've got little girl on a tag. The tag is from one of my kits, and then this is one of the 6x6s that Tina gave me, and that goes there. Pocket, that is from one of my kits. We have the Eiffel Tower there, and that is Tower Bridge. Is it Tower Bridge? Yeah, it's not London Bridge, it's Tower Bridge, you think. Digital washi on here from chapter 1, and a butterfly, and the rest is just all on the digital. Writing space. Pocket from one of my kits, and we have this lovely tag, and it's just blank on the back, and that is a freebie on my coffee shop, Christy Art Designs or Cameo Shop, and this is from my French ephemera kit, and obviously I shrunk them down. I think I've done 2 to a page. They are a PDF, but obviously I've got them somewhere on my computer as JPEG, so I just done 2 to a page, but you can also do 2 to a page with a PDF. So that is Bohemian Crafting. We have a flip page there with some Tim Holtz Little People, and that is from my French ephemera kit. This is from ARTYmaze. That's from her French ephemera kit, and that goes in there like so. That goes on there. Another little instant portrait from ARTYmaze. This is from the old design shop, and I just inked that up. Let's make sure I don't catch anything on the other side there, and that goes there. Is that a flip out? Yep, that's a flip out. Here we've got some, this is from ARTYmaze's letter ephemera kit. Geez, I don't know how I remember all that, but I do. Asked me what I had for my dinner and I couldn't tell you. The background tag is from one of my kits, and the little girl was just in my stash. This is from ARTYmaze number label kit, I think it's called, and this is from my shabby rose papers. Obviously, like I said, these all are bigger, but I've just shrunk them down. Little tag pocket, was a tag, made it a pocket. Little bit of trim here, and we have this is from one of my kits. I think it's rose tags or something. Like I said, I'll try and remember and list them all below, because I use so much in this. This is from my French ephemera kit, and like I said, that has been shrunk down. And another one of these, that's a hare, I think. Could be wrong. Is it a hare? Is it a rabbit? What is it, folks? I think you can tell by the ears, am I right? No? Or is it the length of them? Really can't remember. And that is from ARTYmaze, obviously. And that is the back. And that is the little journal. And this, I like making these little journals because they're the kind of journals that I like to use personally, for my own personal, like documenting and things. Don't like the great big chunky ones because I find them hard to fill. Like there's too much space for my brain. That makes sense. So anyway, like I said, this will be for sale in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.